Good morning, everyone. Welcome for today's webinar on behalf of Institute Industry Forum. As we know that we move from darkness to light. So Institute Industry Forum has started this activity to collaborate with institutions as well as industries. So under this activity today, we have planned this free webinar on job opportunities and lifestyle at Saudi Arabia. So today's our guest or expert faculty, who is also member of Institute Industry Forum, Dr. Latif Sheikh sir. I am welcoming him, and I will have brief introduction about the today's faculty as well as the activities of the forum. So basically this forum we have formed to bridge the gap between academia and industry. So under this forum we arrange regular webinars. So more than 108 electrical professionals from institutions and industries are connected on this platform. So the engineers are from reputed institutions and industries like IIT, NIT, CPRI, NPTI, POSOCO, Power Grid, regulatory bodies, then various state GENCOs, Transcos, Discoms, Reliance, Tata, Adani, ABB, Siemens, G, and so on. There are so many other private companies also. So under this forum, we give certification of appreciation to the speakers, as well as we give certification of participation to the participants. Also, we have student forum for the electrical engineers. Around 400 students across India are connected with this student forum. So for this, under this forum, we arrange regular webinars. So we participate all the students in these webinars. On this platform, we provide them project, dissertation, thesis, guidance free of cost. Even job updates which are coming from industries as well as from academia, that also we convey to them on this same platform. So we recently started our online certification courses, which are very useful for electrical engineer. As there are so many faculties we have from industry, they have vast experience in the industry, and also from expert from institutions are also there. So we have started these courses with minimum pricing. So these are some categories of these courses we have launched very recently, and there is an immense this response for these courses. So today I want to introduce our guest expert faculty, Dr. Latif Sheikh sir. He is a professor in Royal Commission, Yamu and Jubaili, Medina province, Saudi Arabia. He has teaching as well as industry experience. He worked as an electrical engineer in a power plant in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 3 years. Also, he worked as a professor in engineering in Saudi Arabia for 10 years. He has teaching experience in India 8 years and industrial experience in India 9 years. And his area of specialization is for power systems and industrial training. So I welcome to sir once again on all of you on behalf of Institute Industry Forum. And I request to sir to start his presentation. So thanks to all of you.
Thank you, sir, for your industry and Industry Institute Forum for calling me and giving me the chance so that I can share some of my experiences, as well as I can clear some of the doubts of the people who are interested to upgrade their career, who want to go outside and they are skilled, but they don't know how to go and what are the chances, what are the opportunities for them outside India. Because in India, There is so much talent, and I will tell you one thing at the start only, that all Indians are respected very much outside India. Means in Saudi Arabia, electrical engineers, they know that the electrical engineers are technically expert, they are dedicated, honest, hardworking. So whatever our seniors have done, they have done a great job, and so we have so much respect. Now L&T has taken up big projects in Saudi Arabia. They are working, and many of the people know about many of the industries in India. They know about the IITs also. They know about the NTPC, and they know about the Reliance. So this is not a new thing for them. Only the thing is that we don't know that we are respected outside. This is the only one thing I will clear at the start only, so that this will remove much of the fear from your mind, that when you are going outside, whether the people will respect you, whether the people will treat you nicely or not. So that fear you first remove from your mind. Now next thing is that, please next slide, sir. Next important thing that I will like to clear from us is that there are different countries. We think that Saudi Arabia means Dubai, or Saudi Arabia means Qatar. So first of all, I will uh, clear the things that Saudi Arabia is a different country, Bahrain is different country, Qatar is different country, United Arab Emirates, Dubai, Sharjah, this is another country, and Oman is other country. So these all are other countries. So when you see advertise, you may see the advertise from Saudi Arabia or Kuwait or Bahrain or Qatar or United Arab Emirates or Oman. So these all are different countries. They are called Middle East countries because their location is made at the Middle East of the earth. So Saudi Arabia is very big country. You can see in the map that this is very big country. This is about 3/4 of India. Then Qatar is also oil-rich country. Bahrain is also oil-rich country. Oman is oil-rich country, and it is now developing. So there are very much chances that will come from Oman. Dubai, as you know that uh, all the technical expertise, whatever is the best in the world, is you can see in Dubai. Highly professional, highly rewarding. If you are honest, hardworking, you can get very much chances to grow in Dubai. And Qatar is also oil-rich company. Kuwait is also oil-rich company. So in all these countries, you can get opportunity. This is Middle East, and whatever I am presenting today, this will be applicable to other countries also. You can get chances from Yemen. There are chances in Eritrea, Ethiopia. Also, there are chances. So whatever preparation you are doing, you can prepare for all the countries. Don't keep in mind that I want to go to this particular country. Why? Because suppose you work in Dubai for 1 or 2 years, you will get so much experience, and your experience will have so much weightage that you can shift to any other country at higher position. So they want experience outside India. They did not mention that you have to work in this particular country. So first remove from your mind that I have to go to this particular country. If the country is safe, no internal problems or nothing war is there, you can easily go to that country. And another thing is that where you go to any country, you will find Indians. Indian community will be available in every country. So don't have fear that how I can go there, how I can survive there. So, and there are groups also. You can see the groups of Kerala people. You can see the group of Pune people, Mumbai people. Groups are there. They have their colonies, and you can have friends, and your children can study there in Indian schools. So all facilities are available. So this fear you just take out of your mind, and think that whatever you are getting outside will be same as you are getting in India. So education facility, medical facility, everything will be there, and these countries are different countries that you keep in your mind. Okay, now please next slide. Now, I will give some basic information about Saudi Arabia. So you'll have some understanding. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh, and the currency is Saudi Riyal. Now, the rate of 1 Riyal is 19 rupees and 87 paise. And total area is 21.49 lakh square kilometer. So it is about 3/4 of India. So it is very big country. It is oil rich, mineral rich, and now they are going for all renewable energy resources, means mainly solar energy. The per capita driving side is right, and per capita income is about 50,000 US dollars. Major cities in Saudi are Jeddah, Dammam, Riyadh, Makkah, Medina, and also there are other big cities. Mainly, you can see the industries in Jeddah, Dammam, Riyadh, and Yambu, from where I am working. So this is about Saudi Arabia. So it is a big country as compared to Dubai. So generally people confuse between Dubai and Saudi Arabia. Still people ask me whether I am from Dubai. Actually, I am working in Saudi Arabia. It is another country. So Saudi Arabia is different and Dubai is different. Okay, sir. Please next slide. Sir. Now, why you should go outside? Because many people are happy with their job here. Okay, if they are getting good saving, and they are doing good saving and they have job satisfaction, that is better. But when you go outside, important thing is that you will work with professionals. You will be rewarded, because if you come to Saudi or any other country, you will work with the people, engineers from Canada, America, then again Australia, then Egypt. They are also very good in electrical, and so your views will be open. You have great chances that you can prosper. Even if you have technical skill, you can get good rewards, and you can work on big projects. And another thing is that good earning and good lifestyle. So as compared to our country, the lifestyle in other countries where we will go and work, that will be better, and again you can have good chances to prosper.